This 73-year-old doctor is traveling from Kashmir to Kanyakumari without any GPS and minimal items. Here's everything you need to know about him. Dr. Kiran Seth is the founder of SPIC McKay and a Padma Shri awardee. He began this journey through cycling on 15th August 2022 from Srinagar and is expected to reach Kanyakumari on 14th February 2023, 6 months later. He entered Karnataka on 27 December 2022 and will be in Bengaluru from 2nd to 4th Jan. The mission behind his journey is to spread awareness on how cycling impacts you mentally and physically. He meets students and educationists on the way to enroll them into his organization. Most importantly, it's to promote Mahatma Gandhi's vision of simple living and high thinking.
I started this cycle yatra on the 15th of August from Srinagar, and I'm trying to go up to Kanyakumari. There are three main objectives of this yatra. The first one being, which everybody knows, it's good for the health, it's good for the environment, but it's not only good for the physical health. If you cycle alone, it's very good for the mental health also, and also it becomes a meditation. Therefore, one advice that I'd like to give to all cyclists is, do try and cycle alone if possible. If you are cycling in a group also, reduce the talking to a minimum. This is the first objective. The second objective is to propagate this movement, Society for the Promotion of Indian Classical Music and Culture amongst youth. This is a movement we started 45 years ago at IIT Delhi with the aim of bringing the best of our heritage to schools and colleges. Our classical music, our classical dance, our folk forms, our yoga and meditation, our crafts, and we do about 5,000 events in about 500 towns in India and about 50 abroad. But we want to touch every child in the country. And for that, we require a large number of volunteers. So to propagate this message of SPIC McKay and to get new leaders into the movement, I am doing this yatra. In fact, we are having a very special meeting day after tomorrow at 4th at Chitra Kala Parishad from 5 to 5:30 to 7. All those potential leaders from any age group from 16 to 80 who can come, it will be lovely. This is the second objective. The third objective is, we are forgetting Mahatma Gandhi quite a bit. High thinking and simple living, and taking everybody along. So therefore the cycle which I have taken is a very simple cycle. There are no gears, no disc brakes, no shockers. The whole cycle costs about 7,000 rupees. And with about 3 sets of clothes, I'm trying to do this yatra from Srinagar to Kanyakumari. And I think it's a message which young people, old people, whomever can benefit from, that if we can achieve a lot very simply.